Okay, what's up there, you guys? Your man Joe came around just to find that you need to know. So today I'm going to be here to teach you how to get on the freeway safely and soundly. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to find the nearest freeway. So the first thing to do is don't have thoughts about that you're going to die. Let's get that out the mind. Like, I know that some of you are, new drivers, and it's probably the first thing you get on the freeway saying like, oh, I'm gonna die. No, you're not gonna die unless that's your intentions. But again, you need to, don't think of death as, because that will cause a panic. Number two, don't panic. Don't panic, don't stress, and you should be fine. Because probably one of the reasons why most accidents for new drivers is to panic or have negative thoughts. Yeah. The third reason, step number 3, have air circulation. Turn on your air conditioning or turn down your pull down your windows, because you need air circulation. What happens is that when you're driving and you're not breathing, it's gonna cause you to panic. What happens is that when you don't breathe as much, or there's no air circulation, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna start panicking. So just to let you know that you have to have like air circulation coming through your car. So hopefully that you won't be as in a panic state, pretty much. So yeah. So I'm going to the I should have gone to the north, because the north I can just go that way, but I'm going to head down to the south. So either or, that we're going to the south. We're going to this freeway, and here we go. Remember, take deep breaths. If this is your first time getting on the freeway, take deep breaths. Look at your surroundings and do not panic. Again, take your time, and let me slow down for these sharp corners. Uh-oh, there's traffic. There's traffic. No, we're not going to Los Angeles. So remember, next step is to look at your surroundings and follow. Oh, okay. And follow all the laws. And I'm not going. Is it going? No, it's not. It's not heading to Santa. It's not going to Santa Ana. So, look at your surroundings. Make sure nobody's trying to cut you off. That can happen. Yep. There's another example. People trying to, cut off. Trying to get into this illegally. That will happen. Yeah, so again, there's not a lot of cars that are going to give you an opportunity. Well, there are some, but there's not a lot of people that's going to give you the chance to give you a parking or let you win the lane. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they will. Sometimes they won't. Yeah. So again, you got to make sure, because there's going to be a lot of people that's going to be doing a lot of illegal trafficking or illegal, yeah. You got to be aware of the potholes in the freeway. You got to be aware of that too, and any cracks in the ground. You got to be aware of that. Yeah. And you also need to be aware of brake checkers. They do happen. It's like when people are trying to get like auto insurance, try to get insurance money off of you, and they're trying to find your fault. Make sure you get like a dash cam or a GoPro or something like that. And yeah, so hopefully that everything will be all right. I'm sorry, I'm trying to think and drive at the same time, but I'm trying to focus on what's happening or what's my surrounding areas. What else? You gotta watch out for accidents and stuff like that. Please always be prepared for, you know, when that happens. Yeah. And, you know, again, oh, pothole. Be careful. Check your surroundings. Do the speed limits. Now I gotta get off. And if I want to get off, I'm gonna check who's behind me and who's on my blind spot. There's nobody on my blind. Oh, but I do see somebody coming up fast. And I want to get out of the freeway. And are you gonna pass me? Okay, thank you. Make sure you check your surrounding areas. Check your surroundings, as always. And we're gonna get off of the freeway in a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna get off on Firestone. Make sure. And another thing that you need to also be aware, when people, every time you try to go onto the next lane, there's a chance that people might pull up, try to come into the lane a little bit faster. Please be aware of that. Gonna get off here on Firestone. And yes, there's gonna be some people that's gonna try to cut you off right here, but don't get mad. It does happen. You know, it does make me kind of angry a little bit. You know, maybe we should cut it. Oh snap! Okay. I mean, yeah. You gotta be careful. You know how you press down your brakes. Yeah, you gotta be aware of that. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna find some homeless people on the sideline wanting to ask for change. You know, feel free to, if you can. Yeah. No, not today, man. So yeah, so I don't know if this is helping for all of you, but without further ado, I hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, so it's your man Joe. See you guys soon in another video or so, okay? All right.